Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the eufy E25. If you're interested in the E25, the link to it will be in the video description. So, a restart is just a simple reboot, which is a power cycle, turning it off and then back on. This is not a factory reset. This is just a simple power cycle. So, currently, our vacuum is on right now, and we have our power button right here. So, to restart or reboot the E25, just press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here. So we have it held down.
Please wait patiently.
The voice prompt says shutting down, please wait patiently. So we're going to let go. The lights are off. We'll wait a second. We'll just give it a little breather here. And then now we'll be ready to turn it back on. So just press and hold the power button again. We're still holding it. The lights came on, so I'm going to let go. The lights are blinking. They're not solid white. And now we just wait for everything to start back up. Startup music, the brush for the side brush was activated. And that's it. That's going to be your simple power cycle to restart your eufy E25.